Linking your bank account to Wealthify is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments efficiently. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create or log into your Wealthify account. Visit the Wealthify website or open the app. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are new, sign up by providing the required information to create your account. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use the ASRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. Look for an option that says Link Bank Account or Add Payment Method. Click on this option to start the process of connecting your bank account to your Wealthify account. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and SOF code. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues with linking. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy and confirm the linking process. You may need to verify your identity through a security check, such as a code sent to your phone or email. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Wealthify. You can now fund your investments and manage your portfolio with ease.